all, welcome back to our class. Today we'll see the third video tutorial on PAM method. In the last tutorial, we have seen the problems on matrix minimum as well as Vogel's approximation method, that is PAM. Today we will see one more example on PAM. The difference is that there we solved PAM using step-by-step iterative method. In that, it consumes more time. In order to overcome that, we solve one more example in a shortcut manner. Okay, so just see here. So it is of 3 row 4 column matrix. In that, first we find the penalty row. How to find the penalty row? In each row, find the two smallest elements. In the first row, two smallest elements are all of those 1 and 4. Difference between them is 3. Similarly, in second row, two smallest elements are 2 and 7. Difference between them is 5. In third row, two smallest elements are 2, 3. Difference is 1. Similarly, you have to find the column penalty. So, first column 4, 6. Difference is 2. Second column 3, 4. Difference is 1. Third column two smallest elements are 2, 1. Difference is 1. Similarly, 2, 5, 3. Among these penalties of column, penalties of row, the maximum penalty is 5. So, in this row, find the least element. Least element is 2. Now, allocate the supply and demand. So, supply is 16, demand is 15. So, give 15, this becomes 0, this becomes 1. When this demand becomes 0, so remove this entire column for the next iteration. Okay, so these two become cross, so this entire column become cross. Don't consider for the next iteration. For example, if instead of getting 0 at this place, if any of the 0 come at this place, that time you have to remove that row in the next iteration. Okay, vice versa. Then go for the second penalty. Already we removed this column, don't consider for next iteration. Penalty 2, consider only 5, 4, 6, 3 columns. Out of these 3 values, two smallest elements are 5, 4, difference is 1. Similarly, second row, compared to 7, 9, 8, difference between 7 and 8 is 1. Similar to the third row. Similarly, obtain penalty for the columns. Okay. So, among these penalty values in second penalty, the maximum value is 3. So, select this one. In that, least element is 2, allocate the value. Supply is 5, required is 4. So, give 4, this becomes 0, this becomes 1. Okay. When this becomes 0, cross these two, don't consider for the next iteration. Only these two columns are left. Then, find the third penalty. In third penalty, difference between these two is 2 and difference between 8, 9 is 1. Difference between 4, 3 is 1. Similarly, here we have column difference is 2 and 1. Among these penalty, maximum value is either this 2 or this 2. Select any one. Okay, if I select this one, so out of these two, smallest element is 4, so allocate the value. Supply is 14, demand is 10, so give 10 here. This becomes 4, this becomes 0. That is, if I give 10 here, 14 minus 10 is 4, 10 minus 10 is 0. So if 0 is there, don't consider this for next iteration. Only one column is left. What is supply left? Here 4 left, here 1 left, here 1 left. And it is of 6. Okay, 6 equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1. Only one column element left are there, so just give the same value 4, 1, 1. Here so all value becomes 0. Then stop the iteration. Okay, so column allocations we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now number of allocation equal to 6. m plus n minus 1 equal to 6, so it is a non-degenerate basic feasible solution. Then add them all, get the answer, it is 114. Okay, now hope you all clear with the both first step, first, second and third methods, that is northwest corner method, matrix minimum method, Vogel's approximation method. Okay, consider one example, apply all three methods. If you got any queries, whatsapp to my number, or you can ping me in the Google Classroom. Thank you. In the next video tutorial I will going to solve with the Modi method.